Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Liz and today I'm so excited because I finally am getting into the holiday desserts, baking, all that good stuff. So I want to show you how to make royal icing. So make sure you are subscribed so you can see what I am going to be using the royal icing for. As you can imagine, it's going to be good stuff. Some of you are probably thinking that it sounds disgusting to be using egg whites in your royal icing. If that sounds gross to you, just switch out and buy the meringue powder, and on the meringue, it usually has a recipe that you can use for that. But I'm going to be using egg whites. It's pretty quick, it's pretty easy. There's only 3 ingredients that you need, then you have royal icing for the rest of the season. First thing you want to do is get 3 egg whites and you want to beat them until they are nice and foamy and frothy. Once they are at that stage, you want to start adding in your powdered sugar. Make sure you're gradually adding it in a little bit at a time. I would recommend using a standing mixer if you have one. I don't own one, so I'm just using my handheld mixer, which works fine too. It's just that there's a lot of powder that goes up in the air. Once you've added all your powdered sugar into your egg whites, use a rubber spatula and scrape the sides. Make sure you get all the powdered sugar into your egg whites, then beat it again. Once everything is cohesively combined, add in your lemon juice. I'm actually using real lemon juice that I squeezed from a lemon. I read that the lemon juice really helps with hardening of the royal icing, and then incorporate the lemon juice into your mixture. Beat it for another 5 to 10 minutes until your mixture is nice and thick. You'll see that it is creamy and luscious looking. It just looks absolutely gorgeous. Your royal icing should have stiff peaks. If you're not using this right away, make sure you are storing it in an airtight container because this will harden up quite fast. I still consider myself an amateur when it comes to royal icing decorating, so I'm still getting used to decorating and all these terms. But basically, when you flood a cookie, it means you do the outside, the border of the cookie with a thicker royal icing, and you get that consistency by having more powdered sugar. Flooding your cookie basically means you're using the same royal icing, but it's more watered down. So that's what I learned. Also, I don't like to color my icing. You can go down that route. If you are considering coloring your icing, just keep in mind that there is liquid in your dye and you might need to adjust the consistency, so just add more powdered sugar as you need to. As I say, practice makes perfect, so as you are working with your royal icing, you'll see what works and what doesn't. These are just some terms that I learned and I thought I would share them with you. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye guys.